Welcome back to Pure Soul Aesthetics. When we look at the feet, we aren't just looking at skin and nails. We are looking at the history of a person's movement. Our client today presents signs of cumulative stress on the plantar fascia and significant keratin buildup. In this professional session, we will demonstrate how clinical precision meets aesthetic care. Notice the initial state of the cuticles and the dryness of the heels. This is where our transformation begins. The first step in any high-level treatment is preparation. We use a specialized pH-balanced solution to soften the stratum corneum without damaging the healthy living tissue underneath. Many people make the mistake of being too aggressive at home, but here we prioritize the integrity of the dermal barrier. As the solution takes effect, we begin a gentle debridement. Watch as the non-viable skin is removed, revealing the softer, healthier layers. This process is essential not just for beauty, but to prevent painful fissures that can lead to infections. Now, let's focus on the nail anatomy. The toenails endure constant pressure from shoes, which can lead to thickening or onychosis. Our approach is conservative yet thorough. We are cleaning the lateral folds and ensuring the free edge is shaped to prevent any future ingrown issues. Notice the clarity of the nail plate improving as we remove surface debris. We are also applying a nourishing oil rich in vitamin E and antifungal properties to ensure the nail matrix stays strong and resilient. Healthy nails are the frame of a beautiful foot. After the physical debridement, the skin is at its most receptive state. This is the moment for intensive hydration. We are applying a clinical-grade mask that acts as a humectant, drawing moisture into the deeper layers of the epidermis. For clients with active lifestyles, this step is non-negotiable. We must address the lateral folds. Debris often accumulates here, causing discomfort and even inflammation. We are using a fine probe to clear the sulcus. Notice how the nail plate begins to breathe once the excess cuticle and skin are removed. We are trimming the nails in a straight line with slightly rounded corners. This is the gold standard to prevent onychokeratosis. For someone with a busy lifestyle, this detail is the difference between comfort and pain. With the skin now cleared of obstructions, it's time for the nourishment phase. We are applying a rich, pharmaceutical-grade balm. Notice the circular movements of the thumbs on the plantar arch. This is not just for relaxation. We are stimulating lymphatic drainage to reduce edema, the swelling common in those who stand all day. The skin is literally drinking this hydration. We are restoring the lipid barrier that protects the feet from bacteria and further cracking. The toenails endure constant pressure from shoes, which can lead to thickening or onychosis. Our approach is conservative yet thorough. We are cleaning the lateral folds and ensuring the free edge is shaped to prevent any future ingrown issues. Notice the clarity of the nail plate improving as we remove surface debris and clean the eponychium. We are also applying a nourishing oil rich in vitamin E and antifungal properties to ensure the nail matrix stays strong and resilient. Healthy nails are the frame of a beautiful and healthy foot. Another factor often overlooked is the microclimate inside the shoe. Synthetic materials and tight hosiery can create a lack of oxygenation for the dermis, leading to a condition called anhydrosis, where the skin loses its ability to retain moisture. This is why the texture we see here might appear parched or scaly. We are essentially resetting the skin barrier. This allows our specialized formulas to penetrate the deeper layers of the epidermis, rather than just sitting on the surface. With the skin now cleared of obstructions, it is time for the intensive nourishment phase. We are applying a rich pharmaceutical-grade balm. Notice the circular movements of the thumbs on the plantar arch. This is not just for relaxation. We are stimulating lymphatic drainage to reduce edema, which is the swelling common in those who stand for long periods. The skin is literally drinking this hydration. We are restoring the lipid barrier that protects the feet from bacteria and further cracking. This deep hydration is what ensures long-lasting results after the session. The cream we use contains a high concentration of urea, a powerful keratolytic agent. This continues to soften the keratin in the skin even after the client leaves our clinic. For a busy professional, this means the feet stay smoother for much longer between appointments. As we massage the product into the metatarsal pads, we are promoting vasodilation and helping the body recover from the fatigue of daily life. True elegance and health start from the ground up, and this step is vital for skin regeneration. Before we conclude, it is important to discuss long-term maintenance. We always advise our clients to never skip their nightly hydration routine. Even a quick application of a foot balm before bed can counteract the damage done during an active day. Alternating shoe types and ensuring proper fit can significantly reduce the risk of developing permanent postural issues or chronic calluses. Footcare is an investment in your long-term mobility and overall confidence. A few minutes of daily care can prevent years of discomfort. The transition is undeniable. The skin has regained its natural luster, the heels are smooth, and the nails look revitalized and healthy. This is the standard of care we believe every person deserves. Thank you for spending this time with us at Pure Soul Aesthetics. Your support and comments have been incredible, and we are honored to be part of your wellness journey. Please remember to subscribe for more deep care sessions and technical insights into the world of professional foot care. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.